Hello, and welcome to another episode of Unboxing with Paul. And today, I'm excited to bring you the Neewer professional microphone pop filter shield compatible with Blue Yeti and other microphone, dual layered wind pop screen with a flexible 360-degree gooseneck clip stabilizing arm. Let's take a look at it. This pop filter is currently available on Amazon for only $12, which is part of the reason why I got it. It's very low cost. So again, I am doing these unboxing videos on these cheap little Amazon products because I am starting to notice a common theme among them. If you do not know what you are buying, or if you don't know what you're shopping for, you're gonna wind up with a subpar product that looks and feels initially like it is getting the job done. However, upon further inspection, you're gonna wind up noticing that your product is subpar, usually made out of cheaper, lesser quality materials or with poor craftsmanship. In this case, the reason why we went with this one is because this one has quite a few, almost 8,700 positive reviews on Amazon. It looks like in the box, we just got a little customer service flap saying that we can always count on them. Yeah, right. And here's the actual pop filter itself. Comes placed together with a paper, with a staple. Okay, and we don't get anything else in here. Okay, so in case you did not know, because I did not know, a pop filter is so that your voice does not rattle the microphone capsule whenever you are doing p sounds or b sounds. Loud B as in boy, or loud P as in Pluto or Penelope. These are meant to soften up and diffuse some of that air so that your capsule does not get rattled when you are recording, when you are speaking into it. These do come with a flexible gooseneck arm. As you can see, they can be adjusted in any position. They can be bent in a wide variety of shapes. And then we do finally have this little clip down here that is going to be able to clip onto our microphone boom arm, and we're going to install it right now. I do not believe that it matters which way it goes because it doesn't say anything here. It says to use, simply attach the clamp to any mic stand and position the pop filter 2 to 8 inches from the microphone. You'll need to experiment with this distance depending on the vocalist. For best results, position the vocalist at least 2 inches from the screen and do not let the pop screen rest on the microphone. Okay, the pop filter may be cleaned. Use warm water and a mild soap solution. Do not expose to extreme heat or direct sunlight. Okay, good to know. Do you remember that little hook that goes on the top? Well, I put that little hook, lined it up with a railing on here, and then I just clipped it on like so. I'm not sure how well you can appreciate that, but now I've clipped on my pop filter, and then I can position it directly in front of my Blue Yeti microphone, like so. So I wonder if pop filters are similar to where it doesn't really matter which one you got, as long as you have one on there, and as long as you're not being a doofus when you're using one. Obviously, as long as you have it 2 to 4 inches away from the actual microphone, and as long as you have it at least 2 to 4 inches away from the actual subject that is speaking. And again, this is not turned on yet. I do apologize. I will get a sound test for you guys very, very soon. However, I have not yet figured out how to work this into my setup yet. It'll be coming up very, very soon, and I'm sure it'll be amazing. Until then, make sure you check out our Christmas special, Budget Phones, which is a spoof on Jingle Bells. I promise you we'll laugh. Click up here to watch it. And also comment and subscribe so you don't miss out on our 1,000 subscriber giveaway, where we will be giving out another Alcantara Joy Tattoo tablet, just like we did for our 750 subscriber special. And as always, thanks for watching.